Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. You and a friend are riding your bikes to a restaurant that you think is east. Your friend thinks the restaurant is north. You both leave from the same point, with you riding at 16 miles per hour east and your friend riding 12 miles per hour north. After you travel 4 miles, at what rate is the distance between you and your friend changing? Okay, so this is me riding bicycle thinking the restaurant is east, and let's name this distance here as x. And my friend here travels north instead of east. What a stupid friend he is. So we name this as y here, the distance. Okay, and then the distance between me and my friend here, that will be z, like this. Okay, but then I ride my bicycle here riding with 16 miles per hour. So the change of this distance here is 16 miles per hour. So I ride my bike here with the speed of 16 miles per hour. So I'll have dx dt is equal to 16 miles per hour. And then my friend here, he is stupid and also slow. So we will have this dy dt here that will equal to 12 miles per hour. Okay, and now we need to calculate what is the distance between me and my stupid and slow friend here, right? So that will be dz dt. And as a reality check later, dz dt here should be positive numbers, right? Because our distance should be increasing. So this one will be some positive number. Okay, and then let's see here, because I'm heading east and my stupid and slow friend here heading north, I will have this angle here is 90 degrees. Remember, the angle between north and east is always 90, right? And then this z here is our hypotenuse. So we can just use the Pythagorean theorem. So we will use this Pythagorean theorem. So what can we get from here? We know that x squared and then plus y squared here is equal to z squared. And all of them is changing over time. X is changed over time, y is changed over time, and z is changed over time. And here we know that this is dx dt, and here is dy dt, and we are looking for dz dt. So we need to do implicit differentiation with respect to time. Okay, so let's do that. Implicit differentiation with respect to time. Okay, here on the left hand side, I will have 2x, then multiplied by dx dt. And then for y squared here, I also have 2y multiplied by dy dt. And for z here, I will have 2z, but then it is multiplied by dz dt to get the respect to t, right? Okay, so we need to find out dz dt, so we need to isolate it like this. And how I do that? I divide all of this by 2z, right? So I have 2z here, 2z here, and 2z here. And this will cancel each other, right? And so we will have dz dt here. Okay, what is it? I will have dz dt here is equal to x over z, then multiplied by dz dt, and then plus y over z multiplied by dz dt. Good. And then what else that we can have here? Okay, we have our x, we have our, no, I made a mistake here. This will be dx and dy. So we'll have dx dt and dy dt. Okay, we have all the values here. Dx dt is 16, dy dt is 12, and we know that x here is 4 miles. Okay, so we need to find out when x is equal to 4 miles. X is equal to 4 miles. Okay, and we need to find out what is y and what is z, right? Okay, let's clean this. No, not clean this up. Okay, now because I have traveled 4 miles here, I know my time. So what is our time? Remember that time is distance divided by speed, right? So we have distance, which is 4 divided by 16. Okay, so we will have 0.25, and the unit here will be in second. But remember, my stupid and slow friends here traveling 12 miles per hour. So we will have our y here is equal to his speed, which is 12, multiplied by 0.25. Right, and that will equal to, I think we will have 3 miles. So we have x and y, but then we need to find out what is z, right? We know that x is 4 and y is 3. We need to find out z. What is z? Remember that x squared plus y squared is z squared. So we will have z squared here is equal to x squared, which is 4 squared, and then plus 3 squared here, which is 16 plus 9, and that will be 25. So we will have our z is square root of 25, and that means that our z here is equal to 5. Okay, the unit is miles. And now all that we need to do is to plug in the numbers, because we have all the numbers in hand. So plug in. Okay, and what is dz dt then? We will have dz dt here is equal to x. What is x? X is 4 miles. And then z over z, right? So I will have 5 multiplied by dx dt. So I will have 16. Then plus we will have y, which is 3 miles. Okay, 3, and then over 5, and then multiplied by 12. Okay, and that will equal to, so we will have 20 here, and the unit here is miles per hour. So at what rate the distance between you and my friends changing, that will be 20 miles per hour, right? So I have 20 miles per hour, and this is the answer for this problem, 20 miles per hour. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.